there's nothing left for me to say, 'cause I'm lost in the silence between you and me. Now you're gone, nothing's left over used to be. That's okay, that's alright. Go ahead and live your life. That's okay, that's alright. But don't blame me if I get sad sometimes. I still got a master point of view. All I see in everything is you. Oh, did you always leave me in the dark? Even you, did you let me stay? Should've never let you break my heart. Now there's nothing left for me to say, 'cause I'm lost in the silence between you and me. Now you're gone, nothing's left over used to be. That's okay, that's alright. Go ahead and live your life. That's okay, that's alright. But don't blame me if I get sad sometimes.
Yun ang masaya, oh. Palaka. Lutuin na yung palaka. Ano to? Dried meat. Pinsya. Meron silang manok. Kapag kakaluto ng manok nila. Ay, sausage. O, batang kulong. Fish. Ayan, palaka. Ano may gusto ng palaka dyan? Tingala. Pasok tayo sa loob. Dito naman ay shake. Fruit shake.
Sad sometimes.
Sana yung aking mga kasama. Magla-lunch muna kami. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan sila. Hanapin natin. Ganda nung tanim mo. Napong grilled chicken. Po-order sila ng food. Rice. Ganito paano kumain ng sticky rice nila. Kailangan bilugin mo muna to. Vlog. Tapos ito daw pala lagyan mo ng paggawin mo siya parang kutsara, tapos mo ilalagay yung sauce, pero wala pa yung sauce, kaya kainin ko na lang to.
Lagay mo na yung kutsara. Ano, magsandok
Sarap.
na ata.
Ayan na.
Ading-ading. Kaya?
Ano yan?
Kengomay. Kasi,
Bamboo soup. Bamboo soup daw siya, oh.
wala sa lang.
Yan ba yung specialty ng mga law? Specialty ng mga law. Ang bamboo soup. Ang bamboo soup.
Ano yung mga Natawag ni Mama Paul.
Ha?
Kung anong bowl dyan.
Ang kakit ng bowl nila, oh.
Ito ang special.
Anghang.
Anghang?
Bagay sa ano?
Ilagyan mo ng kaunyaw.
Kaunyaw.
Pwede siyang ano.
Patingin ng maanghang. Patingin ng maanghang.
Ulitin ka mo din?
Tingin nga, maanghang. Thank you, Taj. Oh, yun nga eh. Kainan na. It's lunchtime.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充実するのもっと噂のドリーミング忘れ
Salamat sa panonood ni Ate Tess. Congratulations po here. And then happy birthday kay Angel, Carl Angel. Kainan tayo. May mushroom. Sabi ng teacher ko. May mushroom. Ito yung bamboo fruit soup. Mas maas umusok-usok pa. Ito yung sticker rice. Parang nila kinakain
Nag-aaral lang sana sila ng management.
Oo nga.
Hindi education.
Yung
Gusto lang naman
magmamasteral,
talaga yun.
sila yung magtuturo na magtuturo.
Dapat. Kaya nag-master eh, para mas maraming magturo.
Kung hindi naman sa NGO.
Sa iyo eh.
Kaya master level ka. Preferred. Kasi sa
Pinupicturean ni Iba vlog niya. Yung vlogger.